Gross domestic product, or GDP, in the first quarter of 2026 is estimated to have increased by 7.83% year-on-year, compared to 7.07% in the first quarter of 2025, marking the highest first quarter growth in a decade. In terms of GDP composition, the industry and construction sector accounted for 37.15% of GDP, while the services sector made up 43.45%. Industrial production rose around 9%, led by manufacturing at a rise of 9.7%. This momentum underscores that the main engine remains the manufacturing sector. At the same time, exports and imports continued to accelerate, reaching nearly $249.5 billion, up over 19.85% year-on-year, reflecting sustained demand for Vietnam's manufacturing, especially in electronics. Foreign direct investment rebounded strongly. Total registered FDI reached $15.2 billion, up nearly 43%, signaling renewed investor confidence. This is not just about capital inflows, but also about Vietnam's position in global supply chain restructuring.